As a troop admin user, you'll have access to many reports to help you track the progress your troop is making during the fall product program. You can click the Reports tab from your dashboard. If you manage more than one troop, you'll have the ability to toggle between the two. On the main tab, you'll see all the sales for all the girls in your troop. If you need more detail, you simply click into that girl and you'll be able to see the sales that she has, either online magazines, direct ship, or net order card, as well as online girl delivered. There are different tabs across the top that break her sales and your troop sales down into category. So you can simply click across the top to see stats about that particular Girl Scout participant or your entire troop. On Online Nuts Girl Delivered tab, you'll be able to see the products sold by girl as well as the customer information. You'll also be able to see that under the magazine and direct ship tab. Nut order card, you'll only see the totals sold for that girl since we don't collect the information by customer. Here you'll be able to see a summary for your particular troop. You can toggle between your two troops or the number of troops that you have access to. It'll give you some campaign stats over here, the number of girls selling all the way through per girl averages, and the total balance that will be due from your troop to council, and it'll keep track of your sales by product channel. At any point, if you'd like to print a report or download a PDF or even export in Excel, you can do so. If you have a parent who may be struggling to access their own reports, you could simply enter their email address here and email a link to download the report directly to them from the system. Many of our troops prefer to use the troop summary report as an end-of-the-year reporting that most councils require to report out the sales that you had from the fall product program.